Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide likes in Threads, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide the likes on your post on your Threads app, first open up your Threads app on your phone, and after opening your app guys, on this interface you land over here, which is the home interface of Threads. And on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the person or profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and you land on the profile interface of your Threads account, whereas at the top right corner of the screen you can see the two-line icon available for us just beside the camera icon. Tap on the two-line icons at the top right corner of the screen and you land over here where you can see the privacy option available for us just below the archive or just above the accessibility. Tap on privacy, and at the bottom of the list guys, below the block profiles, you can see the hide likes option available for us. Tap on the hide likes button over here, and when this page loads guys, you can see the toggle icon that says hide likes and share accounts just beside or just at the right side of it. Make sure the toggle icon at the right side of this option is turned on. That being done guys, your likes on your thread accounts post will be hidden. And there guys, this is how to hide likes on your Threads app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.